Hello, today we will guide you through how to schedule Instagram posts in Meta Business Suite. If you want to plan your Instagram content ahead of time, Meta Business Suite makes that process much easier. Scheduling posts in advance can help you stay consistent, save time, and keep your content calendar organized. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the scheduling process so you can quickly set up a post for a future date. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct business account and connected Instagram profile. This is important because any scheduled content will be tied to the account you're currently managing. Next, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Planner. The Planner section is where you can view your content calendar and manage upcoming posts. This area is especially useful if you like to see your publishing schedule laid out by date. Once you're in the Planner, find a sample date on the calendar and click on Schedule. This allows you to begin creating content directly from a specific day, which can be helpful if you already know when you want the post to go live. After that, click on Schedule Post. This opens the Post Composer where you can build the content you want to publish. From here, you'll be able to choose the date and prepare the post details. Now select the sample date for your scheduled post. Be sure to choose the correct day you want the content to be published. If you're planning multiple posts, it's a good idea to double-check the date before moving forward so your content goes out at the right time. Next, enter the sample post content. This is where you'll type in the caption or message you want your Instagram audience to see. As you do this, make sure the post is clear, polished, and ready to publish. It can also help to review the content for formatting, spelling, and overall tone before scheduling it. Once everything looks good, click on Schedule. This confirms the post and places it into your content calendar for automatic publishing on the selected date. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled an Instagram post in Meta Business Suite. After scheduling, you can always return to the planner to review upcoming content and make sure everything is lined up the way you want. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you streamline your Instagram posting process.